So traders, this one stock that I'm looking at right now, I believe it could be getting ready to be dropping like a rock. And also the stock market may be getting ready for another leg to the upside. And that's what I want to talk about in this video today. And also I want to share with you about what's happening with the mining sector and also looking at gold and silver as well too, guys, to share with you what's really going on across these markets from here. If you haven't done so yet, traders, then make sure you grab access to that very first link in the description. I'm giving away I've actually created a brand new trading course, 4 parts. You can grab that first link in the description. You can grab free access to that. So let's go have a look at the markets. Oh, I'll start with the stock that I started at the start of this video. Then we'll get to the stock market. The stock is forward, guys. Stock is forward. Now, there's no guarantees of this happening and so on and so forth. If you know anything about my actual trading system and how I trade, if you don't, in the free trading course, this free trading course here, guys, part 4, I'm going to teach you about the trading course. I'm going to teach you about the actual trading system, should I say. So if you haven't done so yet, guys, get access to the trading system so you can see exactly why I'm actually watching Ford, because I think Ford could be setting up for a really big drop in the market. Drop it. So look at the S&P 500, guys. What's happening to the S&P 500? We're really just holding here, right? We're really holding here. And this is a pattern that also formed on the good old Bitcoin as well too. That's right, the Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Let me show you the Bitcoin. All right, so let me bring up this chart through here. And let me go down to the good old Bitcoin through here. And if we go to the daily chart, see this thing through here? Look at this. So the Bitcoin did this as well too, right? So you can see how we had a move up, and then we had this sort of just sort of flattening out period through here before we actually went through another move to the upside, right? So we can see it through there. So what's happening right now on the actual stock market? What's happening? Look at this here. We're starting to get what? Bit of a flattening out through here. So we continue through there. We could be getting ready for a breakout and another move to the upside. Another leg, should I say, another leg to the upside on the S&P 500. But one is not like the other. And what I'm talking about here is the Nasdaq. Look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is the same. Wait till I get to the Dow Jones. So the Nasdaq is the exact same. Why? Strong leg up. You know what? You know, actually, I'm going to keep it on pink because I know how much you guys love pink. What's that? You know, pinky, right? Don't mind me, guys. Anyway, so we had a move up. Now we're going sideways through. What does that mean? We could be getting right. We could be getting ready for some of this. And then another leg to the upside trading, doing that as well too, right? So get ready for potentially another move to finish off the year strong in the S&P, Nasdaq, but there is a warning sign. What is the warning sign? Tell me about the warning sign, John. The warning sign is this. Warning sign is at the Dow Jones. If the S&P makes a move, hee-ha, right? That's right, hee-ha. The Nasdaq makes a move, yeehaw. The Dow makes a move, yeehaw. Very short-lived though. If we start, because the Dow Jones has only had a couple of sideways bars. If we get something like this out of the Dow Jones, guess what's coming? This is going to be a false breakout pattern in the market. And trying to go long here, which unfortunately, when I first started trading, was it 19 years ago, guys? I did this thing as well too because I didn't understand, right? I didn't understand that after a period of time, after the market goes up for a while, we end up getting a pullback, right? So when that happens, right, we're probably then going to get a pullback from there. So going long the Dow, it's probably a risky thing. But the Nasdaq and S&P are different, especially the Nasdaq. Let's go look at the stock market. I mean, the gold and silver. So what's happened with the gold market? Gold had a bit of a drop yesterday, and gold's actually doing something very similar. On this big down day here, guys, I did an update on gold, and I said that gold could have a bit more of a drop, but I don't think it's going to have too much of a drop. Because I believe we're now in a very strong up, down, high, low, up, down, maybe something like this, and then ricochet rabbit. I believe the next leg in the gold market is going to go to the moon. Right, moon action, that's right, moon action. So, and the reason why, guys, look at this here. Now we're starting to create new trend, new higher lows. Once we do, if we do create another higher low here, guys, and we really start to get back above these levels here, as you can see, that's where it had a problem last time. We start to create a higher low and break it past this 2100. This thing is then going to start to really, like, you think you've seen big moves before? You think the crypto market is a big move, huh? Yeah. You think this gold move here was a big move, huh? Nuh-uh. You ain't seen nothing yet. This thing is going to go absolutely to the moon, right? Same with the good old silver market. Look what's happening with the silver market. Look what's happening here. Good old low. Good old higher low. So the market's gone up. We're now going through a pullback, bit of a drop. But guess what? In an upward market, what do we have, right? We have market goes up, then pullback. Up, pullback, up, pullback. By the way, guys, that's what it looks like there because you can't see it, right? So, low, higher, low, higher, low. This is what you call an upward trend, right? What is this here? Oh, John, it's one of those things you just draw in the charts. John, look. Low, higher, low. What could we be expecting soon? Higher, low. Oh, you know what, John? If that's the case, I'm going to buy now because I'm going to get in before everyone else does. And I'm going to capture the very bottom of the move. No. Right? Don't be silly. Why? Is it definitely going to be a higher low? No. Right? It could do this. And then there is no higher low, right? So the best time is to what? Is to at least wait for it to start to confirm the higher low and then start to break up through here so we're actually getting the swing up first, right? Okay. So we can see that through the good old silver market from there. Looking at the GDX as well too. And the GDX right now is right at this level of resistance. Now it's actually poked its head back above. And now we're actually coming back down to this level through here. So is this going to be a level of support on the GDX, guys? That's what I'm looking at through there. GDXJ. And the GDXJ, we can see that it's actually made a low, higher low. And now we're getting some form of a pullback right now. A little bit more of a pullback. Maybe. Or it may just hold here and then really get going. Either way, guys, I see this being the start of something quite incredible in the GDX from here. This line through here around the $36 level is indeed the level of support in the markets through there. Let's go look at the SILJ. Support, resistance, and then also we have a level of resistance through here. And then also the market is having a bit of a pullback right now. So I'm expecting to see if we do get a pullback, it's probably going to be very short-lived because I believe this is now a double bottom. And now we are starting to form an upward trend in the SILJ. And the SIL, same sort of thing, guys. I do believe if this is going to be a bit of a pullback, it's going to be very short-lived because I believe we're now doing, if you look at the markets from a swinging point of view, right? The market swings. Not the swinger that you guys are probably thinking about. But anyway, swing up. Something like that. If that was an overall moving average in the markets, I believe we're going to get something like that. And then obviously, guess what happens? And then obviously we get, this sort of action happening with the markets through there, right? So that's what I'm looking at through there, guys. Hope this helps you out. Once again, traders, make sure you grab that free trading course if you're struggling. It's a brand new trading course. Or if you want to get access to my private coaching for all of 2024, second link in the description. You can apply for that there. See you, traders.